daghang kay mga basic nga butang nga ato pang buhaton before we start operations. Our objective is that we must see to it that this is well managed and secured in order that we'll be able to achieve the vision. Ang atong vision dire sa Olympic size covered swimming pool nga himuon kining one of it is that himuong training center sa mga possible palaro or Olympic swimmers from Davao del Sur. So himuon natong training center ni. Secondly, we must be able to use this to accommodate top tourists and visitors to make use of this so that they can help subsidize the maintenance of this facility. Kaya dako kayong pasilidad kini Mike.
Maabrihan ba ni sa kanang mga Bisalyano lang ang mga tao sir nga gusto maligo?
That will be part of our projection, but not every day. That is why it must be managed by professionals.
So pag naana ni siya sir, pwede na ta maka-host of like mga dabraa, mga ingana.
Mao na ito objective, even palaro, because we want to create champions in swimming from our athletes in Davao del Sur. We must be able to compete nationally.
Sir, lastly sir, mensahe mo sa mga taga-Davao del Sur, daghan ang mga tourist attraction nga nailhan diri sa atong probinsya Gog.
Well, tourism is one of our key objectives in this administration of the province. So gradually, we are fulfilling that commitment to make realize that Davao del Sur will become a tourist province. Kaigsunan ko sa Davao del Sur, kung inyong bisitahan diri ang atong covered swimming pool, makita niyo ang daghang kay trabaho diri. Adto sa Kapatagan, atong Mount Apo Ecotourism ni Mrs. Cagas, sige pag trabaho. Aside from the fact na ato kas Bansalan, adto ka sa Hulilan,
Kay sa Matanaw.
Matanaw pa gyud, no? Mga caves tanan. In other words,
Falls.
gradually we are fulfilling our commitment to make Davao del Sur a tourist